Okay, now to the coronavirus. Maryland has over 370,000 confirmed cases as 1,100 more people tested positive for the virus. Now, less than 1,200 people are in the hospital tonight with COVID-19. That number is at its lowest point since mid-November. The statewide positivity rate fell as well. It's now at 4.76%. And the rush is on to continue vaccinating Marylanders. Let's bring in Abijoy Burnett. She's at the convention center where they're extending appointments to Saturdays. What can you tell us, Abijoy?
Hi, Max. How are you? Well, right now we are at the convention center in Baltimore City, and today was the very first day that they started vaccinating people here on a Saturday. But another mass vaccination site, this one in Prince George's County at Six Flags, they had to close early today because of the bad weather.
Maryland's vaccination rate is slowly inching up. At this point, about 10% of the state's population has gotten one dose of the vaccine. That's just above 625,000 people.
I feel great and I don't feel any pain or anything at all.
Another 231,000 has gotten 2 doses, and that means they're now fully vaccinated. But those efforts hit a snag on Saturday. The site at Six Flags America in Prince George's County had to close early because of bad weather. In Baltimore City, the convention center was up and running, administering doses for the first time on a Saturday. And M&T Bank Stadium is set to go online later this month, where the problems remain. Low supply, high demand.
I think the federal government has a major role to play here, but these are the folks that are on the ground dealing with it every single solitary day. And they see the pain and they see the successes when they occur. And what I really want to know about is what should the recovery plan, should we have more or less of anything in it?
Friday, Governor Larry Hogan was among a bipartisan group of lawmakers who visited the White House to discuss a way out of the pandemic. In a statement, the governor said, "I greatly appreciate the opportunity to be one of the first governors to meet with President Biden and Vice President Harris as we work together to end this horrific pandemic." Earlier this week, we spoke with Ed Levine in Baltimore County. He'd been searching for a vaccine for days. He now has an appointment with his wife for Monday.
You don't want to give it to your family members. You want to see your family. If you're outside getting your mail and a neighbor comes by, you're afraid to get close. You know, you have your mask. There's a lot of fear involved, at least for me.
Now, that other mass vaccination site here in Baltimore City at M&T Bank Stadium, they are going to open up on February 25th. Live tonight, Abijoy Burnett for WJZ.